Are you looking forward to create a Grindr account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create your Grindr account. First thing first, head over to your application Grindr. At your land you on this homepage. In order for you to create an account, click on sign up at the top right corner of the screen. In this page, you have to click on accept at the bottom of the screen. Now you can either create your account from Google account, Facebook account, or Apple. Let me choose Google account for now. Simply click on Google. Tap on continue. Choose a specific Google account or click on use another account. Here, enter your email address and then click on next. Once you have entered, enter the password of your Google account and then click on next once again. Now all you gotta do is enter the birth date for your account. After that, click on next. Now you have to fill up your profile. Add the profile picture if you want to. Enter your display name and set what you are looking for. Once you've selected all the credentials, the next thing you want to do is click on next at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, your Grindr account has been created successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.